guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Isa the Adventurer because I like to look at the world from an adventurous perspective. And I must say I'm really excited because summer is starting and everything is slowly opening up during this time during Corona. So I'm excited to go out, have fun, have some more journeys and adventures, and really just having an amazing time and really just living this season to its fullest. Now, even though we do have a lot of freedom, fun ideas, and different things during this time that we are excited about, we also run into much boredom and lack of inspiration. We often only rely on inspired ideas and motivation, and often that runs low because it's limited. So, as an adventure seeker myself, I wanted to share my top 5 ways how I re-spark my adventure spirit and really get into the vibe of summer and have a great, amazing journey. So let us begin, shall we? Number 1, do what scares you. Now by scares you, I mean things that take you out of your comfort zone or might make you feel uncomfortable. Of course, nothing weird or nothing bad that you know will not lead you a good result or give you good memories. It's something that you want to do, but you're scared of doing because you have some limiting beliefs. Doing what scares you allows you to make amazing memories and have a great time and really show yourself that you are more than you think. Now what I personally do is that every summer or every season or even every month, I write a list of challenges for myself, and then I do my best to take action on those goals, take action on those ideas, and try new things. And honestly, that is how I made the best connections. That's how I made the best memories, and I had a great time just really discovering who I am, but also seeing how far can I take my potential. So number 1, try to do what scares you and challenge yourself. Number 2, oh my gosh, this helped me so much, and it seems counterintuitive, but it really opens your mind up. Put your phone away. If you're constantly just sitting on your phone, you slowly become addictive and you lose that beautiful skill of thinking on your own, discovering your own ideas. Because you're constantly being bombarded with all this different content, knowledge, ideas, etc. That's not really going anywhere because it's just overloading your mind. So setting up a time of day where you don't sit on your phone, or even taking a walk in the afternoon without your phone, or just being away from it, really just lets your mind work on its own. And it honestly helped me to be more adventurous. Without my phone, I noticed I felt much different and had a much better experience often than I was just sitting on it. So really, when you just put your cellular device away for a few minutes, an hour, 2 hours, try a full day, you'll see your mind could do wonders. Your creativity really booms. And not to mention productivity. Number 3, challenge yourself to be positive. Now, I don't mean go around be blindly optimistic and, oh, I love this flower, I love this tree, I love the sky. What I'm encouraging you to do is to do your best, to just be your best self in any given situation. Now, what this does is that it opens you up to many different avenues and ideas because you're not constantly resisting your environment, but instead you're doing your best to be aligned with it. And this actually goes a long way because yes, it's a challenge. You might feel uncomfortable at first, or you might feel like you're forcing it. But in the long term, this actually becomes a really good skill and just transforms your mind completely for the better. Try this out if you don't feel enthusiastic, or if you feel bored, or any negative emotion that you have, and just replace it with the desire to do your best to be positive, and you will see, you will have an amazing, adventurous time. Number 4, read more. Even I know libraries are closed right now, there's so many audiobooks you could listen to. Me personally, I love to read. When I was younger, I grew up on fantasy, adventure, all these different awesome books. It could be a novel, it could be a how-to guide, it could be anything. As long as you're keeping your brain engaged and constantly reading, searching for new information, or even just actively listening to all these amazing stories, you're actually opening yourself up to so many more possibilities and just experiencing one adventure after the other. Reading more honestly really opens your horizons up. And what's awesome is that you could literally have an adventure from your room just sitting on your bed reading a book. Try it out. And number 5, think like a kid. Now, when we were younger, we always found that the world was an amazing growing place. But now that we're older, the world didn't get smaller, the world didn't get worse, bad, or tainted. We're just not as open anymore. So to think like a kid, what it literally means is just to be present, just to be kind. think simply that will really change your mind for the better and simplify all the clutter that you think is necessary but in fact might just be in your way. So take inspiration from younger cousins, from children, from these little people who are just playing around you, and see how they think, see how they see the world, because for them everything is growing. They're focusing on just using their talents and having an amazing time. And these could be your biggest teachers. So these were my 5 ways on how I respark my adventurous spirit during this summer. I hope that you guys utilized these and found these interesting. Please leave a comment below if you guys have any other ideas or anything that you do that gets you into the adventurous spirit. I would love to share and talk about it. If you like my channel, please feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I make a new video. I do my best to post once to twice a week, so stay updated. I usually post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thank you once again for watching. Have an amazing time, and remember guys, stay adventurous and use those tips. Alright, see you, bye!